Welcome to Lavande Hotel, Chongqing Nanping Pedestrian Street, Gongmao Metro Station, where urban sophistication meets refined comfort, a sanctuary in the heart of Chongqing's vibrant pulse. For those enchanted by this description, the details to secure your stay can be found via the QR code on your screen. Gracefully positioned along the lively Nanping Pedestrian Street and mere moments from Gongmao Metro Station, Lavande Hotel is a curated retreat for discerning travelers. Whether drawn to the city's luminous energy or its culinary tapestry, guests find themselves seamlessly connected to Chongqing's finest offerings. The hotel's understated elegance extends to thoughtfully appointed accommodations, where every detail, from plush bedding to modern amenities, whispers tranquility. Morning begins with a delightful breakfast, included for one, setting the tone for days of exploration or effortless relaxation. Stay effortlessly connected with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, ideal for both leisure and business. The concierge stands ready to elevate your experience, whether arranging bespoke city tours or securing reservations at hidden gastronomic gems. Families are warmly welcomed, with children aged 3 to 12 enjoying complimentary stays, ensuring every journey becomes a shared memory. With flexible check-in from 2 p.m. and check-out until 2 p.m., time bends to your rhythm, allowing unhurried moments to savor the city or an extra hour of repose beneath Lavande's serene embrace. A stay here is more than accommodation. It's an invitation to experience Chongqing with poise and ease. To begin crafting your escape, simply scan the QR code now gracing your screen. Let Lavande Hotel be the canvas for your next unforgettable chapter.